Hey guys, this is a video response to VSG Kirk's Fridge Challenge. Alright, here is my door. I don't know why it's so close. There we go. So you got lots of lemons and condiments and more jelly than the grocery store has probably. And on the top shelf we got everyone else's mayonnaise and my mayonnaise. We got some pizza sauce and some dressings and some barbecue sauce and cheese. And that black container back there is sauerkraut. And we have the most disgusting stuff on the face of the earth, Isopure. And protein shakes, and yes, that is baby food, and I don't have a baby. I still eat it sometimes. We got milk, and some diet cran cherry, and some cottage cheese, and eggs, and this is leftover chili. That bottom one is cucumber dip, and the next one up is mashed potatoes and vegetables, and then the top one is potato salad. And these are amazing. I have a bunch of those because I like to eat them at work. Let's see, it's got, this one is turkey with almonds and Monterey Jack cheese. Pretty good. We got the family drawer. Bacon, hot dogs, yuck, cheese, more cheese, bologna, and then we have my drawer, yogurt, goat cheese, yummy, turkey sausage, more cheese, green onions, cilantro, hummus, cheese, ham, turkey pepperoni. Let's see, this stuff, I got this stuff in the mail as a sample. I haven't tried it yet. If anyone else has tried it, let me know if it's any good. Then we got the really bad drawer. We got cookies, butter left over from a recipe, dried beef, champagne, cream cheese, looks like wine, maybe? I don't know.